Hola clase, me llamo Señor Altón. Bienvenido a la clase de español. If you're listening to this, you are in my Spanish class. Today we're going to be talking about ser, the verb which means to be. And ser mainly is used for describing somebody, so some characteristics that are a little bit more permanent. And then also talking about time and talking about the location of events. Alright, so let's get started. So first off we have yo soy, which means I am. You could also just say soy, which will also mean I am. And the reason being is because that is the only conjugation that goes with yo. Next we have tú eres. You are, so you are familiar. It could also be eres, which is you are, and again the same exact reason. Eres only has one subject pronoun, tú, which matches up with it, and so that's why you're able to drop the tú. Alright, so now we have él es, which is he is, ella es, which is she is, and usted es, which is you are, but that is formal, so that's used with adults, people of authority, people that you don't know. Here we have nosotros somos, or nosotras somos. So we are would be nosotros somos, a group of males or a group of males and females. Nosotras somos would be just a group of females. And yeah, as I said, it means we are in Spanish. And finally we have ellos son, or ellas son, so they are. Ellos son is just a group of males or a group of males and females. Ellas son would be a group of females. And so it's you talking about people over there, people that you are not included with. And then ustedes son is you all are. And so that's used with a group of people that you are talking to. Okay, so you're not just talking about them. Alright, so that is it for ser, to be. Now I'm challenging my students, if you're watching this video, I challenge you to write a sentence using the conjugated version or a conjugated version of the verb ser, either on the comments on Google Classroom or in the comments on YouTube, whichever, it's all your choice. And yeah, I really look forward to looking at your comments and seeing how you're using the language outside of the classroom. Alright, hasta luego.